Alright, so apparently it's time to open the box. Right? Apparently it is. I don't have a knife. Let me go get a knife. Said it's time to open it. Yeah. Yeah. You're a silly girl. We'll keep this for all those weird little things on the tags. Ooh, there's artwork, but the cat's washing its butt. That's hilarious. Oh, that's funny. Okay, what do you got? A teddy bear. Uh-oh, she's gonna steal the pizza. I think it's a piece of pizza. Look, it's a teddy bear. Do you want a teddy bear? Look. She's like, no, I like the box. It's a teddy bear. And a piece of pizza that has heart-shaped pepperoni. Let's see if I can pop that off there too. Look at that. Look at that. What do you think? That's got a lot of catnip in it. That's what I think. Oh, give that teddy bear a fling. Okay, t-shirt. T-shirt's gonna be cute. Cat lover. This is the February box, by the way, so it's the Valentine's version, I guess. That's why there's heart-shaped. Heart-shaped pepperoni and a teddy bear, because who doesn't get a teddy bear for Valentine's Day? And then we have mini meow ramekins. Oh, and they're glass too. That's cool. I don't know about you, but we use little bowls like this all the time for ketchup or, you know, sweet and sour sauce. These will get used. They're so cute. I'll show you the designs on the inside. And she's already taken off with the piece of pizza. Pizza. Yeah, this is awesome. I love these. Mini meow ramekins. Yeah, not your deal, huh? They're too small for you. You can't get your whiskers in there. And a tote bag that says, "Here, kitty, kitty." That's cute. It's heavy too. Here, kitty, kitty, and then it has the cat lady logo on the back, and it's the black cat too. That's awesome. Awesome. That's awesome. So good t-shirt, a cool bag. You got 2 toys. Where's Zeus, man? You didn't want to open it while he was in here? We got a bag to put all the trash in. And there was artwork, even though I love it. It's so funny. We always say, oh, she has a question. You know, they raise their hand because they have a question. But that's not what's happening. And then this is telling about, there are 2 subscriptions. One for, man, the sunshine. If I turn the camera around the other way, then it's dark because I'm shooting into the window. So this is 2 subscriptions, one for people and cats, and one for cats only. And again, all their money goes to shelters. It usually says on the back here who they donated to. So the card shows the t-shirt, the 2 toys, the bag, and the ramekins, and over here it's saying Committed Alliance to Strays, Protecting Animal Life, Mabel's Orphaned Angels Rescue, Pet Project Rescue, and 4 others. Which, that's kind of really why we do this. And then, of course, the other part of the reason why we do it is because she happens to like the toys and the box. You like the toys? The piece of pizza got your attention right away. Yeah. Let's get this off of here. Gotta cut the flap off, otherwise the box wants to tip over. Even with a cat in it. It's wonky. Alright, now, mini ramekin designs. There's one. The second one. The third one. And the fourth one. Those are cute. Cute, cute. And they stack nicely. That's good too, huh? Save room in the closet, or the cabinet. That's a pretty cute teddy bear. It matches you. It matches you. Oh, look, there's a box. Yeah, this thing is just loaded with catnip. Ooh. See why she likes it. So we're a little late on the whole Valentine's Day thing, but that was the theme for this box. Look at that. That's what she does best. Lounging. That's why you wanted me to open it, huh? So that I could empty it and you could get in it. Yeah. She'll be there the rest of the day. Can you say thanks for watching? We'll see you on the next one. Say happy Saturday. Bye.